Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Hikmah bin AZLAN. I'm going to present about ENT 530 Business Model Canvas. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce my group members. One of the group members is me, Muhammad Hikmah bin AZLAN. Second is HARITH FARHAN bin ZULKIFLI. Thirdly is IZYAN SYAZLEEN binti BAHARUDDIN. FATIN AFIQAH binti ABDUL WADI, and lastly is HASNIZAH binti ABDUL AZIZ. Alright, now we move on to the next part is about our product. During the pandemic, the demand for face masks, hand sanitizer and glove has increased by the wide margin. This has led us to the idea to sell virus protection kit, which includes all the essential needs to protect yourself from the pandemic. Now let's move on to our next part is marketing mix, also known as 4P, which include product, price, promotion and place. Our marketing mix is product we choose to sell in kit instead of selling separately because it is easier and portable to be brought anywhere. Also, we had an idea to sell this kit because hand sanitizer, face mask and glove are high in demand. Next is price. We are selling our product at RM20. This is considered reasonable price because if you buy hand sanitizer, face mask and gloves separately, it will cost more. Next is promotion. We promote our product in social media. This is because easier for us to update new product or new stock and also update promotion during the pandemic. Everyone will be using online platform and thus this will make easier to reach us and vice versa. Place. Our place, we choose online platform because in this era everyone regardless of age owns a smartphone. This will help us to get a wider reach of audience since everyone is using their smartphone. What is inside our virus protection kit? Inside the VP kit contains glove, which is reusable and can wash to wear multiple times. Next, the kit also provides 5 pieces of mask. The mask has 3 ply of layers that acts an extra protection against the virus. Lastly, we also provide 250 ml of hand sanitizer that you can last you for a month. And also, these kits are highly demanded during this pandemic. Business model canvas. First of all is key partnership, buyer-supplier relationship. This partnership can be built mutually beneficial and reliable relationship. One side gets a quality supply and the other, and a confirmed and recurring buyer. Next is strategic alliance between non-competitors. Our company will be partner with plastic industry that they will provide us space storage of the kit and a bottle of hand sanitizer. Let's move on to the next point. It is the key activity for the kit will be online giveaway. In order to attract more potential customer, we love to do online giveaway. So from that, people who never try or purchase the kit before will be attracted to join the contest and in the same time will be part of our loyal customer. Next is social media management. Updates regularly on new release and information will be updated on the social media. Key resources, physical, such as raw material, building, vehicles, transportation, storage facilities and machine. Next is intellectual, also important because these are non-physical, intangible resources like brand, patents, IP, copyrights or even partnership. Human, employee are often the most important and yet most easily overlooked assets of the company. Financial, the financial resource include cash, line of credit and therefore the ability to possess option plans for the workers. Value proposition, firstly is cost reduction. Helping customer reduce cost is an important way to create value. Next is save time. Buy one product that consists of 3 items. Next is customer relationship. How do we deal with our customer is that Instagram rating polls on IG story and live talk or even Q&A session. Next is promotion message acts as a reminder to our customer or potential customer for the incoming deals that we have. Lastly is reward on the loyal customer. Every time the customer buy product from our shop, they will receive loyalty card and they need to collect point until they reach the point that we have set them. We will reward them with any gift from our shop. For our channel, we use online platform because it is easy to access, easy to get feedback from customer, save cost and time. For our customer segment, we use mass market, where we focus on a large group of customer without really distinguish between different types of customer and aim to satisfy a set of broadly similar needs and problem. Cost structure, first of all, is we need to pay our salary, we need to pay raw material and our delivery charge. Lastly, for our business model canvas is the revenue streams. Online sales, where we can get profit by customer purchasing our product from time to times. Markup on price, where we increase 30% from supplier. Delivery charge, either on postage or cash on delivery. In conclusion, we can conclude that to be well-known brand across the world, we must gain more knowledge and investment in research and development. This way, we can improve our product quality. Thank you for lending me your ears and Assalamualaikum.